In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix payment declined on Cash App. So if you're not being able to make the payment on Cash App and it displays payment decline, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. Try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. After you do that, your problem should be solved. Also, make sure to check the card information. Ensure the card number, expiration date, CVV and billing zip code are correct. After you do that, also confirm you have enough balance in your linked bank account or Cash App balance. If still your problem is not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the Cash App. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Cash App. You'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on the Cash application and tap on the option update. Now after the Cash application is updated, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Cash and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Cash app. You'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now what you have to do is tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be solved. Now simply try making the payment again and you should be able to do it. Likewise, you can also try removing your debit or credit card and add it back again. Also ensure your card is not locked or restricted by your bank. After you do all these things, your problem will be solved. So that is how you fix payment declined on Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.